One Tesla Cybertruck owner says, I spent over $100,000 on an off-road ready Tesla Cybertruck only to have my Aero covers almost fall off after a little snow. This Tesla Cybertruck owner shared his mutilated front wheel Aero cover after one little drive in the snow. And the question, is it really worth the $50 replacement? I will have a link in the description of this video for you to see the images. Welcome back everyone, this is Armin Harayan from torquenews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channels and give us thumbs up if you like the story which I'm about to tell you. Tesla Cybertruck is built with a nice design and to conquer rugged terrain, but even this futuristic truck isn't immune to the challenges of everyday weather. Ray Chen, a member of the Tesla Cybertruck owners Facebook group, recently shared his frustration with a seemingly small issue. The pre-wheel Aero cover on his Cybertruck came loose after driving in the snow. While this might sound like a minor inconvenience, the implications go deeper, especially for a vehicle marketed as off-road ready and snow capable. So this may be a small issue with big implications. Ray's experience highlights an unexpected vulnerability in Tesla's robust design of the Cybertruck. According to his post, the loose Aero cover wasn't the result of aggressive off-roading or extreme conditions. It happened after moderate driving in the snow. Again, this is according to him. This raises an important question then. How can small parts like Aero covers withstand the demand of real-world use if they fail under relatively light strain? Friends, the replacement cost for this part from a Tesla service center is only $50, which isn't exorbitant but adds up over time if the issue persists. More critically, it's not about the cost, it's about reliability of your Cybertruck. For Cybertruck owners who take honor in their vehicle's rugged reputation, even small failures can erode confidence in the truck's overall durability. So why this matters for snow and off-roading? Well, off-roaders and snow drivers, which is a majority of parts in the northern area of the globe, rely on everyday component of their vehicles to perform seemingly seamlessly actually under challenging conditions, right? An Aero cover might seem like a cosmetic feature, but it serves a functional purpose. What is that functional purpose? Optimizing aerodynamics to improve range and efficiency of your vehicle. When these covers fail, they don't just look bad. They compromise the Cybertruck's performance, or they may compromise any car's performance because, like I said, they are aerodynamically purposed. Snow, mud, and debris can exacerbate the problem. Loose or detached Aero covers can collect buildup, potentially damaging other components or creating drag. For owners who invest over $100,000 in a vehicle designed to excel in harsh environments, such oversights can feel like a betrayal of their expectations. This is why I would like someone in Tesla to see this, and maybe they can do something about this and improve the performance of Cybertruck. Now, let me tell you some real-world experiences, what owners are saying. Ray's post sparked a lively discussion in the Tesla Cybertruck owners group, with several other members sharing similar experiences. For example, Sari Tyler suggested a pragmatic approach, saying, I'd just take those off. They come off often, and the manual says to take them off before off-roading. Why would you want to have to remove them with a screwdriver every time you go out of off-roading, right? People will forget that. It's better to just leave them out. Sari's point underscores the impracticality of design that requires frequent manual intervention. Maybe you live in a rugged terrain, rugged area, and you have to take them off every day. I don't know. Jeremy chimed in with a story of his own. He said, this happened to me in mud. I cleaned it out and it snapped back up in place, although somewhat precariously. While Jeremy's solution worked temporarily, his use of the word precariously speaks volumes about the kind of diminished confidence owners have in the durability of these covers. Hitchman, another person, added another layer to the discussion. He said, yeah, me too, from a trip to Mammoth. No snow on the road, no off-roading, just speed. Hitcham's comment reveals that these issues aren't confined to extreme conditions only. Even standard highway driving can dislodge the covers, suggesting a broader design law. So how this benefits you as someone who is watching this video, friends? For current and prospective Cybertruck owners, understanding these issues is critical. Why? Because first, knowledge is power, and being aware of potential vulnerabilities of your truck or vehicle allows you to take proactive measures. Do this all the time, wherever you're designing. Know the vulnerabilities of whatever vehicle you're driving, whether it's removing the aero covers before off-roading or checking them regularly after snow driving. Small actions like this can prevent bigger headaches for you. This discussion also serves as a reminder to scrutinize the details of any vehicle purchase. Be very careful what vehicles you're purchasing. If you are always doing off-roading where you live, you may reconsider your purchase. While the Cybertruck offers incredible features, no design is perfect. Sharing these experiences within the community can push manufacturers to address recurring issues and improve the future models that they are building. There is a bigger picture here also that I would like to bring to you. And in that bigger picture, reliability matters. What I mean by that is Tesla has built a reputation for innovation, but even the most advanced vehicles are only as strong as their weakest link. For off-road and snow-capable trucks like the Cybertruck, every component needs to perform under pressure. Issues like loose aero covers might seem minor, but they reflect broader challenges in balancing cutting-edge design with real-world durability. So as Tesla continues to refine its lineup, feedback from owners like Ray, Sari, Jeremy, and Hicham will be crucial. These first-hand accounts not only inform other owners, but also highlight areas where improvement that can enhance the overall ownership experience. For example, this is the first year of the Cybertruck, and Tesla may take this into consideration and say, hey, this is the area we're going to improve. This is the area where we're going to strengthen a little bit. So how about you? Have you experienced any issues with your Cybertruck aero covers or other components, or similar issues with whatever car you're driving? What proactive steps do you take to maintain your vehicle's performance in snow or off-road conditions? Please share them in the comment section below and give us thumbs up if you like this story that I shared with you. God bless you, everyone. See you soon in our next report. And remember, I will have a link in the description of the video where you can see the images. See you soon in our next report.